They would have carried coffers of precious woods, golden statues, ritual objects that accompany the king to his final destination.
Finally, Seti I was carried into his tomb, set deep within the valley rock. The objects buried with the dead pharaoh could help him in the afterlife, and Seti I had been very well provided for.
When you think about what you're going to put in your tomb, view it as you're going on a trip to a place you've never been before, and you're not sure what to take, so you pack everything.
He needs all the things which made him comfortable in this life, so that when he's reborn, he has his clothes, his cosmetics, his jewelry, everything else he needs for a comfortable existence.
Every aspect of the afterlife was catered for. The pharaoh may have been dead, but he would still have a healthy appetite in the next world.
You would always have bread and beer. You would also have wine, being a king. And if you were a teetotaler, you would have tamarind juice.